matter if you're going
Ano
back
lang
again.
kay
Again.
para makita ang footwork ba?
It doesn't matter if you're going
Huh?
to do this. Every time my stick is here, it should be up front.
Okay, you want to the range?
Yes, yes.
Face the
But if my stick is here, it should be that's the law. Why? It keeps you safe. Because if you move it forward, move it forward, pass it. Forward. Again, it's fine. It's not safe. Yes, sorry, it's not safe. Either way, it's not safe. But when it's on the other side, how the chance to get
Ay, yung sagrado. Nag-uugot ko.
there you go, difference. It's like you're the one doing the other.